Hello everybody, this is Katerina. Welcome to my Katya Beauty Style channel. Yes, it's still holidays in my country. We celebrate almost to the end of January, Christmas, holidays, old New Year, new Year. But I decide I wanna look too much. I wanna look young and pretty. Today we're gonna use brand new Estee Lauder eyeshadow. We have here satin, shimmer, matte color. Look at this beautiful collection. Yes, I make it a little for you. I try on my hand, and this is its 4 color. We have again a matte, then we have a little bit shimmer, and we have a satin finish. It's coming with 4 little brushes inside, and I will show you how to use them. Then look at this beautiful blush. Look at this big size. It's coming with brush. Also today I will show you this brand. Yes, I already used some products from Tula, but this product is brand new to me. Yes, everything we're selling at Nordstrom. Link will be below. You can click and shop. Yes, thank you very much everyone for watching my YouTube channel, to subscribe my YouTube channel. I know how to make myself look pretty, and if you want me to make you look pretty, watch my YouTube channel, or you can come to Tampa Nordstrom. Let's start. Again, subscribe, watch, comments below, and let's start. Let's start first with good skincare. For my serum, I'm gonna use Tula, and it's a Hello Radiance Illuminating Serum. I just got this for free from Tula brand because I really like this brand. Again, this is what give me nice beautiful glow, and it's very good serum. It's paraben free, sulfate free, all like this bad stuff. It's free, and it is illuminating serum. Let's see. I put a very small amount on my hand, and let's see what it does. It will give me a glow. Ooh, it gives you nice, look at this, beautiful glow. And it's also great for discoloration, pigmentation, and will give me a bright look. Believe me not, I'm working right now at Nordstrom so hard every single day to reach my goal, to get a little bit raise, and I do need this brightness in my skin. Oh, I'm serious, it's so glow. It's have a slightly little bit smell, but I barely can smell, but it feels really hydrating. For my moisturizer, I'm gonna use again Tula. Look at how pretty. It has 30 SPF. It's a daily sunscreen, but it's a gel sunscreen, and it will lock your moisture. Oh, okay, let me see this texture. Again, I don't know if you can see or not, it gives you nice, beautiful glow. Okay, let's wipe this from my hand and put on my skin. Oh, wow, it's no color here, but it looks like it's have a little bit color and even my skin. It's really, it's not heavy. I can smell slightly little bit sunscreen, but I love how it looks on my skin. Okay, and it's very affordable brand. Let's do the eyes. For eyes, we're gonna use serum from Giorgio Armani. Remember, serums you always use first, and on top you put in your moisturizer. This is for my face, this is for my eyes. For my eyes, I'm gonna use today Genifique Lancome. Its texture is a gel, and I really like it. It's not heavy, and I like also to put sometimes on my eyelid. And now let's take care of my skin. For my primer, I'm gonna use Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, and I'm using number 2. It will give me again little bit glow. Right now it's still hot to make your skin looks like really hydrating, illuminating, and glowing. Today for my foundation I'm gonna use Christian Dior Air Flush, and I'm gonna spray my brush. It's a bobby round brush, gonna give me a full coverage. Always feels very light on my skin. My color is 200. I want you to see, guys, difference. Yeah, really good coverage. You see how just make my skin looks younger. For concealer I'm gonna use today Claire Depot. It's very creamy and rich. Gonna apply right here, and we're gonna apply right here. Also, I like to put where is my expression lines. And now, of course, we're gonna set my makeup with loose powder, and it's Lancome Absolute. Absolutely my favorite powder. And now let's do the contour. I'm gonna do something very soft. Today I'm gonna use Air Glass palette, and it's number Umbrette. And we have here 3 colors. I'm gonna use right now darkest one with my North brush. And again, I apply a little bit higher. We don't go right here, we're going to high for extra lift. Now it's time to do a brows, but I do want to show you something I don't think I ever mentioned in my video. Okay, we apply a little bit concealer or foundation on my eyelid, right? But we have this little bit, we'll say a little bit wrinkle, not wrinkle, but like deep setting. And this is where is my concealer right here staying, and it don't looks good. I don't know if you can see or not. Okay, you just use your little bit finger and observe this foundation on concealer. Please remove, because it means it's too much. It means your eyeshadow gonna melt all around. Okay, use your little finger and remove this little excess, which one we have left over. Okay, let's do eyebrows very quick. Today I'm gonna little bit bake under my eyes. I'm gonna use Laura Mercier transparent powder and my beauty blender. Okay, I have a little bit right here, and I'm gonna just use under my eyes. It's gonna set my concealer because it's very creamy and rich. If you have a dry concealer, I will not suggest to do, but because I have a creamy and rich, it's fine. And then I'm gonna use also under my bronze for a little bit more clean look. And we're gonna leave this until like we finish my eyeshadows. We can put also slightly little bit right here on center. It will bright out and lift my face. Yes, so beautiful colors here. And I like we have here satin, we have matte, we have shimmer. 4 colors. It's common with 4 sponges here. Love this. Again, let's do something natural to make me young and you too. First step, eyeshadow primer from MAC. It's a neutral color, it's matte color. It's gonna make us eyeshadow stay all day long, and most important, will give us a true color. Our first color, it's gonna be matte color on the interior of my eyelid. Second color, we're gonna use this again, matte color, and it's like a neutral, slightly brown color. Very pretty. I'm gonna put on my eyelid right here. Well, slightly will change color, not much, you see? Now I'm gonna use actually this applicator, which one it's common with this eyeshadow, and let's use the shimmer eyeshadow I'm gonna use on the bottom of my eyes. I don't know if camera can show or not, but it's like very soft brown with shimmer. Beautiful, beautiful color under my eyes, and will make my eyes much more bigger. Now I'm gonna use another side of this applicator because I really like it, and we're gonna use this darker eyeshadow, and we're gonna make like a small letter C. I apply first this darker eyeshadow with sponge, but I don't need a blender brush to blend. Eyeshadow looks very soft and natural. If you think about it, it's a pigmented eyeshadow. No, it's not. It's really, I will say, like eyeshadows probably for beginner, or like for me after 40 it's perfect, because again it's a very soft look eyeshadow, not much pigment, but I still working. We'll see when I finish if I'm 100% happy or not. So far I'm not sure. I'm gonna use Trish McAvoy right now gel eyeliner, and I'm gonna put, it's a brown color, between my lashes. Excuse me, because I think this trick will give me this extra glam or look what I still missing. Again, I'm using between my lashes. You can see it's big difference when I apply an eyeliner. It's open your eyes, your eyelashes looks like already looks much more full. Again, I just did between my lashes. And now let's do liquid eyeliner, priming, and mascara. Today I'm using Christian Dior eyeliner, and it's a liquid eyeliner. It's like a teal navy. It's waterproof. Love this color on me. Time to curl my eyelashes. For this look, definitely we need to make my eyelashes really big and long. Let's use Lancome primer first. It's a treatment for your lashes, but it's make your eyelashes 90% bigger. I'm telling you, girls. And of course, Lancome Grandiose Extreme Mascara to make my eyelashes really big. We're not gonna put today false lashes, because this mascara will make my eyelashes really long and big, and great separation. I like this from this mascara. And I'm trying to push my eyelashes, kind of like trying to do like on the side for extra lift. And of course we're gonna put on the bottom. To finish this eye look, I'm gonna use Anastasia Beverly Hills Duo Highlighter, and this is its matte color. I'm just gonna apply inside of my waterline, will wake up my eye and look so pretty. Yes, I do like this eyeshadow look. It don't looks like too much shimmer on my eyes. It's make me young. It's like makeup, not makeup. I do like it. But let's finish this look. Now I'm gonna use Charlotte Tilbury Air Flash little bit setting mist spray. It will set my makeup, because I actually feel a little bit dry today, but I know why. Because I use Laura Mercier powder to set my makeup under my eyes, to little bit bake under my eyes and here, but you can see my skin absorbs this powder. You barely can see it, but I still gonna use my big brush, and I'm gonna just remove rest of accent, which one I have slightly. But this is when you apply eyeshadow and powder, you remember you're applying, and after like 30 minutes your skin absorbing color. Sometimes you need put maybe a little bit more blush or highlighter, because it can disappear later on, at least on my skin. But I look very pretty, and I'm looking for a blush, which one I just got from Estee Lauder, brand new. Yes, brand new blush from Estee Lauder. I really like this packaging. Look at this big size. Beautiful makeup mirror here. I love this size of makeup. It's coming with little bit brush, and let's use this. I actually love this brush. I'm not sure if I like this for blush. I will probably use for highlighter. Yeah, let's use highlighter first, and we're gonna use my favorite highlighter from MAC. Yeah, I love this brush for my highlighter for sure. I'm gonna keep this for highlighter, and for blush we're gonna use our regular brush. And let's put a little bit right here and a little bit above my lips. Also, I'm gonna use lighter highlighter with small tiny brush. I'm gonna apply a little bit under my brow bone. And now let's put a little bit highlighter on corner of my eye, very little. This will open, and it's small details make big difference. And now it's time for a blush. I'm gonna put like almost like on top of my bronze, just halfway, and we're applying up for extra lip. To finish this look, my lips look, we're gonna use Charlotte Tilbury lip liner, and it's color Icon Nude. And then we're gonna use also nude lip color from Charlotte Tilbury, very nude, but we'll say like today my lips gonna look like J-Lo, and it's color Cover Star. Okay, let's finish. And now let's put a little bit lip gloss, because lipstick it's matte color. I'm not sure if I like how it sits on my lips by itself, but let's put a little bit lip gloss, and it's so small letters here, I barely can see it. I think it's Biza Night, but I'm not sure. All products were listed below. Of course, you can click on link, you will see my face, and you can shop. Yes, all products will come from Nordstrom. Yes, I really like this look right now. My lips looks big and juicy, and most important, we don't need this hundreds fillers and botox and surgeries to look pretty. Yes, makeup, skincare can make a big difference. I hope you like this video. Please comment below, and I will see you in my next video. Love you all. Bye.